Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're introducing something powerful, secure, and incredibly easy to use. V2-Dark VPN, your gateway to a fast and secure online experience. If you care about privacy, speed, and freedom on the internet, this app is made for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. V2-Dark VPN isn't just another VPN. It's a next-generation protocol built to deliver ultra-fast and ultra-secure VPN connections. What sets it apart? Disguises your IP address to keep you anonymous. Encrypts your internet activity. No one can track you. Works perfectly on public Wi-Fi, keeping you safe on the go. Offers 24/7 customer support to help whenever you need it. Let's walk you through the quick setup. 1. Open your device's Play Store. 2. Search for V2-Dark VPN. 3. Tap on the app in the search results. 4. Click the Install button. 5. Once installed, open the app. Now, on the home page, you'll see a Connect to Server button. Tap it. A pop-up will appear. Select your desired location. You'll see a list of fast-working servers. Choose one, and in just a few seconds, you're connected to the internet safely and securely. That's it. It's that simple. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay secure, stay anonymous with V2-Dark VPN. Thanks for watching.